Morning, everybody. 8:47 on this Tuesday morning, um, 12th of September. This is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 1905. Okay, there's a little bit of news around, nothing overwhelming, and no economic news and no important earnings first thing this morning. The mega cap stocks are pretty much unchanged. I don't see any changes in any of them of a dollar or more. Most are up or down 15, 20 cents, so really not much going on. The ones that are showing the most, though, are off of yesterday's earnings, and that would be Oracle, which got down to 114 and a half last night, and last trade there in the extended hours was 115 and a quarter, down 11.20. This morning still continuing lower, 113.44, down 13.04, or 10.3%. Casey's, CASY, went the other way. Last night it was as high as 253, but the last was a bit lower than that, 247. This morning it's 249, up 960 or 4%. Semis are soft again. ASML 613. That stock is down 10% in the last week, which for the top maker, probably the most important manufacturer, um, is quite a drop here. UAW has lowered their demand for a 40% payment rate increase down to 36%. Really not much. And I mentioned yesterday about how they picked that number. So we'll have to see what kind of response we get there. The Chinese real estate Country Garden bond extension for on-share interest payments, onshore, I'm sorry. And so, you just never know what to do with any of this news from China, because a great deal of it is just lies, just stuff they make up. And also, fast food workers in California getting a raise to $20 an hour as the new minimum wage for those workers. Okay, as I mentioned, Oracle down about 13. Apple, the new iPhone refresher is at 1 o'clock. The stock is up about a half a buck. Westrock, WRK, and Smurfit Kappa, which is a foreign, will announced their transaction to create, a real giant in sustainable packaging. CBS, a slight upgrade to outperform from peer perform. The stock is 69.12. That's up 37 cents. Really nothing going on there either. It's sharply lower from over 100, but seems to be finding support in this 60 to 65 area. And Enphase downgraded to hold from buy at Truist. ENPH not down terribly at 120 and a half, down $1.71 or 1%. Asia and Europe were both mixed. So it's actually a pretty mixed day. Everybody is still waiting for the numbers that start to flow tomorrow. And one group in my sector watch that I've been watching here for a while, really all over the place, and that is the pot stocks. Yesterday, some of them were up as much as double digits. CGC was actually up and that's Canopy Growth, was actually up about 70%. But all of these stocks have moved back up. We were in below $3 in MJ, which is the ETF, Alternative Harvest. It's 451, down 11 today, but in the past couple of weeks, it has been as low. The end of last month was trading about 285. Again, traded this morning as high as 470. So not quite a double, but pretty impressive. But these stocks, like the AI stocks, are really all over the place. Some of the AI stocks, have come down dramatically. All right, folks, that's about it. Last in the futures is um, the Dow, which has been down as much as about 75, is down 62. S&P is down about 12, and the Nasdaq is down about 45. So really, not a lot going on. Oh, and one item I might add, if you read my letter over the weekend, the 25,000 level continues to hold on Bitcoin. My attitude is it's at support, and right now it's trading 26,167. That's up 1,115, or just under 4.5% overnight. So I still like BITX, and I might trade. I'm certainly not going to buy the calls there, with it up 1,100, but I've been pounding the table at 25,000. So hope somebody got in. Have a good one.